minor 7 open chord today. Now, this is what the E minor 7 open chord looks like and sounds like. And the E minor 7 open chord is made up of E, G, B, and D. And it's a really simple chord to play. So your E is played open on your 6th string, and then your D on the 4th string is played open, and then your G on the 3rd string is played open, and then your B on the 2nd string is played open, and then your E on the 1st string is played open. And the only note you're really playing with your fretting hand is the 5th string or 8th string with your middle finger on the 2nd fret. You're playing that B. So when you pull it all together, it sounds and looks like this. Again, that's your E minor 7 open chord. Hope you enjoyed the video. Keep on jamming.